Computer problems slow everything down. A slow system, damaged hardware, virus infection, failed storage drive, or operating system issue can interrupt your work, your business, and your daily routine. East Carolina Computers provides practical computer repair services for homes and businesses across eastern North Carolina. We help with hardware replacement, operating system repair, performance troubleshooting, malware cleanup, upgrades, and recovery support. Our goal is simple: find the problem, explain the solution, get your computer working again. No confusion, no pressure, no unnecessary work. If your computer is slow, damaged, infected, or unreliable, contact East Carolina Computers today. Visit East Carolina Computers.com to request service.